Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you looking for best Setapp coupon code? Well, you're in the right place because today I'm going to tell you 100% working Setapp coupon code right now, quick and easy. That will help you to get best savings on your purchase from Setapp. So, without wasting any time, let's begin with this video. To get the latest Setapp discount coupon, all you need to do is just scroll down to the description box of this video. I've added a special link there just for you. Click on it, and it'll take you straight to the website where you can grab your latest and 100% working Setapp coupon code. Once you're on the site, choose the plan that suits you the most, and then click on the Get Code button. Just one click, and you will get the coupons and promo codes for Setapp. I am not showing you the coupon code on the video because the coupon codes used to change in every sale. So, whenever you are watching this video, just go to description box link and get your latest coupon. All you need to do is apply it during checkout, and you're all set. Don't wait. Head to the description box and claim your best Setapp coupon code. And don't forget to like and subscribe.